Hello friends, today the topic is how to assign the coordinates of the points. We will discuss how to specify the points and assign the coordinates to the points. First of all, you need to create the points. So the command is po enter. Now just specify the points on your screen just like that. Now the points are too much small. Here what you have to do, we type enter and assign this point style to your points. Okay, now you see that your point style has been changed. Now you join all these points with the help of spline. In this way you can join all the points. Now we will assign the coordinates of these points. Go to the command field field, enter. Now here the field category, there are so many different category where you have to go objects and then click objects. Yeah, here object type, select object. You can select any point. Here you get position. Now you give the check mark X and uncheck Y, and then additional format. Here you specify E equal and then OK and then OK. So you just place here. It is too much small. You get to scale this point. Just I do it 5 times. Move it. Okay. Now again field field, enter and select object, object type, click here. Again select position. In this time we select Y coordinate, additional format. Now we will give the prefix n equal and then OK and then OK. Now specify here as same. Now in this time again scale the object again 5 times here, but our coordinates is not visible properly. You can change the color of this coordinate from here. Okay, now what you have to do, you are not apply field command for all the coordinates again and again. It is not necessary. Now what you have to do, copy and copy all these objects. Now copy to all these points, and now in this time all the points are looking same. Now what you have to do, re enter. So in this time the points changed. So in this way you can assign the coordinates of the points. Thank you very much. You are watching the Make Easy Classes channel. Please subscribe and like.